Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update landlord budgeting using EveryDollar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your landlord budgeting using EveryDollar, start by downloading the EveryDollar app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account by entering your email and setting a password. After logging in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard. Here, you can start by creating a new budget. Tap on the Create a New Budget button to proceed. You will see a template with default budget categories. To customize for landlord budgeting, click on each category. Rename categories to fit your needs, such as rent income, maintenance costs, and utilities. Add any other categories relevant. Enter your expected income from rent in the rent income category. For each expense category, input the anticipated costs based on previous months or averages. After entering all amounts, review your budget for accuracy. Now, go back to the main dashboard. To track your spending, log expenses by tapping on a category. Enter the amount spent and choose the corresponding category for accurate tracking. EveryDollar will immediately update your budget and show you how much remains. Throughout the month, regularly check your budget to ensure you're staying on track. If you notice any discrepancies, adjust your budget in real time. At the end of the month, review your budget performance. Analyze what categories were under or over budget. Use these insights to adjust next month's budget accordingly. By consistently updating and reviewing your budget, you will take greater control of your landlord finances. Continue this process each month to maintain an effective budgeting system with EveryDollar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.